All right, without further ado, and no more delays, let's start in 3, 2, 1.
And team 1155-6 drops from the lander as they turn left into a pole.
3965 can't get off. It looks like they're still stuck to the side of that lander.
As does team 15562, unfortunately. Seems like their autonomous was not able to go off correctly. All of these unfortunate events unfurl as we move into the teleop period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Let's see how these robots can
3,
recover.
2, 1.
And the
we
drivers pick
transition.
up their controllers as they try to take control of their stuck robots.
It looks like we've got quite a lot of robots that just can't get away from that lander.
Seems that the lander treats the robots like my mother treats me, never letting them go, ever.
And it's already sounding like we're getting claims of Field 2 being cursed. That's the fastest incantation I've ever had. Robots are all struggling to get free of the lander as we move down with about 1 minute and 15 seconds left in the match.
I think that the mama bird lander just needs to push its little rover babies out of the nest.
Well, the good news is that 15562 isn't alone in technical difficulties because it looks like everyone else seems to be having them too.
And we have 30 seconds until endgame. And I don't think this is what they mean by ending where you began.
Yeah, there's definitely some struggling going on. It doesn't look like anyone's gotten anything from the sampling fields.
Seems correct. It doesn't look like any piece of the game board has been disturbed in any way, shape, or form.
This will be an easy one for the field resetters. And we're into endgame. Let's see if these robots try and lift themselves back up for posterity.
Team 3965 managing to lift themselves back up to get some points during endgame. Much needed in this very stalemate-ish match.
We'll have to see. They never really got free of the lander, which might mean that they never technically landed, meaning
Very
that they
true.
could never technically go back up. And that's the match. Not to interrupt you or anything, but it looks like the scores are in for match number 4, with 30 points to the Blue Alliance and no points to the Red Alliance.
It appears that the Valley Catholic Robotics scored points during autonomous for successfully being able to lower themselves from the lander, pushing their entire team over the edge for the win.